This muscle is the digastrix because there's two of them. The insertion is the mandible and the origin is the occipital. In between them is the myohyloid. The insertion is the hyoid and origin is the mandible. Down here is the sternohyoid, and the insertion is the hyoid and origin is the sternum. In between them is the trachea. The transverse vein would run across here and separate the myohyloid from the sternohyoid. And then you have the external vein right here. And then your masseter muscle is this big muscle right here. And then you would have the anterior facial vein running across here and the posterior facial vein running across here. Right, down here, this muscle is the clavobrachialis. The insertion is the ulna and the origin is the clavicle. This muscle is the pectoantebrachialis. The insertion is the ulna and the origin is the sternum. Here is the pectoralis major, and the insertion is the humerus and the origin is the sternum. This is the pectoralis minor, and the insertion is the humerus and the origin is the sternum. This is the xiphihumerales, and the insertion is the humerus and origin is xiphihumerales.